Auriane tena nes ajaikina etimu la Ayuara lo district alo Amuria engarenok lo egelegela kaitunga lo Rumo Town Council. Ido Benedict Gama lo epolokiti polisin kwa Amuria nges abalebe Epenakisi atinga kin ka atomonak lo emaikina ebe Okadibong kanwaswa msine ikej.
But now that the young boys, the groups of the Okadibong are coming back, we are going to handle you. We are going to handle you. You are trying to tell us that we don't know the work we are doing, so you are inviting us to come out now. If you are not careful, some of you will spend Christmas behind the bars.
Lilianeyal aradisi na Amuria ngesilipit auriak ayuarti duekech kosodi ailip Okadibong achuit na arati chepak emina siria makinos kalo Ayuara osawa nalo akwar.
I want to tell you again to take care of your children, the youth, the Okadibong. Since they move at night, we also move at night. We are going to engage. We should run away because we are engaging. We are night workers. And I want to beef up the LC ones and say, please, even before we come, do your patrols. In case you see them and they are very many, just as this will say, move somewhere and call us.
Itunga kesido kisiala mikitos aina peta nuelos kitotor lo Ayuara ayuari kesi numunumete baga.
Akotonga lepi duelu. Idisi akayesi noi. Akotonga sitimota kusowa. Iboro liloma sasa mata ngubelo saya una tunes. So esido mnaji obonebe kapakwana enopakin mame aneja on. Ano narai aloma isidwe lo tura na kwana alom kisa masenene mate je
akira ngoni nera police be kote ko ni lo Okadibong mameri borer nono nare kisili obuto kuju nare Okadibong akisila muna sidia de punoi do bikonen kesule potabilibili kekia repinga na ngoro repinga ne duwe akira na etroto beto tingeno ke police ebe itete ya jokono ile joka de pano yonge toyo kiti nara ya silo Okadibong ije ila port da bubu be kisi kirundo wuka eperoto tulikio
Kanuka TV East Patrick Eteu kwa Amuria.